Hello students, come on, we'll start the problems on index numbers. So previous video we have completed the theoretical part of index number. Hope my viewers already have watched the theory video because the problems are based on theory video. So if you have watched the theory, then definitely you got the command, what are index number, how to calculate index number, what are the different methods of calculating index number. All these things I have explained in detail. Please go, if you have not watched, please go back to the theory video, then definitely you can get the command on index numbers. Now we are going to start the problems. But before starting the problem, my suggestion to the students, to the viewers, please take a hard copy of all the problems which I have provided in the link. So in the description, the last line of the description, you will find the link there. Click the link, get the copy of all the problems and keep it ready before watching the problems. Come on, I'm starting the first problem. From the following data, calculate index number by simple aggregative method. The easiest method of all is the simple aggregative method. Aggregate means total. The simple aggregative method we have to apply and find out the index number. We are given A, B, C, D. 4 items are given. For each item we are given the price in 1990 and price in 1991. See here, the price in 1990 will be taken as the base year and the price of 1991 will be taken as the current year. So we are going to find out the price index of current year compared to the base year. Current year is 1991 and base year is 1990. So values are given, all the prices are given in the base year as well as in the current year. 1990 के prices और 1991 के prices दे दिया. तो see here, simple aggregative method. The first few problems are on simple aggregative method. Calculation of index number by simple aggregative method. So items are given in the problem A, B, C, D. Price in 1990, base year price, that will be denoted as PO. Just now in the theory video I have explained you, remember the symbols. PO is the symbol for price of base year and P1 is the price of the current year. So PO, base year prices are given 162, 256, 257, 132. I have taken the total. This is called summation PO. Summation PO 807. Similarly, the prices of current year 1991 P1 171, 164, 189, 145 given in the problem. Summation P1 is 669. So index number by simple aggregative method. The formula is PO1 is equal to summation P1 divided by summation PO into 100. And aggregate of current prices divided by aggregate of base year prices. So current year prices का aggregate 669 and base year price का aggregate 807. So simple formula summation P1 by summation PO into 100. 669 divided by 807 into 100. 82.90. That's all. This is the price index according to simple aggregative method. Second problem. From the following data, calculate index number by simple aggregative method for the year 2001. Exactly similar. Simple aggregative method. Current year 2001. The base year is given in the problem 2000. The prices in base year 2000 are given. Prices of current year 2001 are given for the items A, B, C, D, E. So here, exactly same table I am preparing now. Calculation of index number by simple aggregative method. Items are A, B, C, D, E. The price in 2000, PO, base year price. Price in 2001, current year price. All the prices are given, base year price, current year price, take the total, summation PO, summation P1. Index number by simple aggregative method. Formula PO1 is equal to summation P1 by PO. Aggregate of current year price divided by aggregate of base year price. So 892 divided by 875, 101.94. This is the price index of current year 2001 compared to base year according to simple aggregative method. Now next, third, problem number 3. Find by arithmetic mean method the index number from the following data. Now this is a second method. Unweighted methods में 2 methods है. Unweighted methods, two method. The first method, simple aggregative method. अभी जो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं ये सिंपल एग्रीगेटिव मेथड. अब जो अप्लाई कर रहे हैं सिंपल एवरेज ऑफ प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड. सिंपल एवरेज ऑफ प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड. तो by taking the mean from arithmetic mean, average will be used by arithmetic mean. दो टाइप के मीन्स we are using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. तो प्रॉब्लम अगर साइलेंट रहा तो ऑलवेज वी गो फॉर अरिथमेटिक मीन बिकॉज कंपैरेटिवली it is easier to calculate arithmetic mean than geometric mean. For geometric mean, we have to refer the logarithm tables. So here it is asking you to calculate by arithmetic mean. Commodities are given rice, wheat, fish, potato, coal, and base price are given, current price are given. Base year prices are given, current year prices are given. This is different. Third one is different problem. See carefully. Calculation of index number by simple average of price relative. First method, simple aggregative. या simple aggregative नहीं है, simple average of price relative method, right? तो simple average of price relative method by arithmetic mean. Commodities rice, wheat, fish, potato, coal given in the problem. Base year prices are given PO. Current year prices are given P1. Now the new point is we have to calculate price relative. ये मेथड को ही कहते हैं सिंपल एवरेज ऑफ प्राइस रिलेटिव मेथड. ये एग्रीगेट था. एग्रीगेट का मतलब टोटल. अब यहां पर टोटल नहीं कर रहे. वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग आउट द टोटल ऑफ पीओ, वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग आउट द टोटल ऑफ P1. वी वांट प्राइस रिलेटिव. प्राइस रिलेटिव कैपिटल P इज इक्वल टू P1 by PO into 100. Current year price divided by base year price into 100. So price relative P is equal to P1 by PO into 100. P1 is how much? 35. PO is how much? 30. So 35 divided by 30 into 100. You'll get this one. 25 divided by 22 into 100. 113.64. 64 divided by 54 into 100. 118. 25 by 20 into 100. 125. 18 by 15 into 100. 120. इसको कहते हैं प्राइस रिलेटिव्स. करंट ईयर प्राइस डिवाइड बाय बेस ईयर प्राइस इनटू 100 फॉर एवरी आइटम. फॉर एवरी आइटम यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. नाउ टेक द टोटल समेशन P. कैपिटल P. कैपिटल P stands for price relative. Remember, summation P is equal to 593.83, the total of this one. Now index number by simple average of price relative method PO1 is equal to summation P by N. 593.83 divided by N. N stands for number of items. How many items do we have here? 5 items. So divide by 5. 118.76 is the PO1. Price index of current year compared to base year according to simple average of price relative method. The first two problems we have done on simple aggregative method. This is simple average of price relative. This is the difference. So we have completed problem number 3. Come on, now we'll start the next problem, that is problem number 4. 3 problems we have completed. First 2 problems on simple aggregative method. The third problem we have solved on simple average of price relative, taking the average from mean, arithmetic mean. Now see the fourth problem. Compute a price index for the following by A. Simple aggregative method and B. Average of price relative method by using both arithmetic mean and geometric mean. तो ये प्रॉब्लम में हमको 3 times we have to calculate price index. The first we have to find out the price index using simple aggregative method. That is the most simple method of calculating price index. Secondly, price relative method based on arithmetic mean and based on geometric mean. That is the problem. Now first, calculation of price index by simple aggregative method. जो first problem किए थे, it's so very simple method. So commodities are given in the problem A, B, C, D, E, F. The prices are given in 1971 and the prices are given in 1976. So 1971 prices are the base year prices and 1976 prices are the current year prices. So base year will be denoted as PO, current year P1. All the prices are given in the problem. So simple aggregative method, we take the total. Summation PO 175, summation P1 205. So price index by simple aggregative method PO1 is equal to summation P1 by summation PO into 100. This formula we have applied in the first and second problem. First and second problem we have applied. Aggregative, the meaning of aggregative is total. Total we have taken. So 205 divided by 175 into 100. 117.14 is the price index according to simple aggregative method. Now we'll come to simple average of price relative method. Simple average of price relative method using arithmetic mean. First we take arithmetic mean, then we'll take geometric mean. तो पहले arithmetic mean बिल्कुल simple है. Commodities A, B, C, D, E, F. PO stands for price of the base year. Same prices I have taken. P1 are the price of the current year. Same thing I have copied down. But I am not taking total. Aggregative method नहीं है. Aggregative method में total करते हैं. ये aggregative method नहीं है. ये price relative method है. What is it? Price relative. So first we calculate P. Capital P stands for price relative. Capital P stands for price relative. So capital P is equal to P1 by PO into 100 for every item. P1 by PO into 100. 25 divided by 20 into 100, 125. 30 by 30 into 100, 100. 15 by 10 into 100, 150. 35 by 25 into 100, 140. 45 divided by 40 into 100. 55 by 50 into 100. These are called price relatives, capital P. Now take the total of capital P. Total of capital P. So summation P is equal to 737.5. Now price index by simple average of price relative method by using arithmetic mean AM. PO1 is equal to summation P by N. Summation P 737.5 divided by N. How many items are there? 6 items are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 122.92. This is the price index according to simple average of price relatives using arithmetic mean. The same problem by using geometric mean. Simple average of price relative method using geometric mean. In geometric mean we have to use logarithm table. That is the difficult point in geometric mean. So first of all, commodities, same commodities I have taken. PO, P1, here same values, PO values, P1 values. And capital P, price relative, the same price relative, whatever we have done here. So 125, 100, 150, 125, 100, 150, 140, 112.51. Same thing I have copied. The new extra point is we have to calculate log P, logarithm of P value. Right? You have to refer the logarithm. अब logarithm table के लिए already you know how to calculate the logarithm values. Again I will explain. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. Characteristic and mantissa. So in a logarithm values, we'll have a characteristic and mantissa. So for characteristic, no need to refer the table. Simply how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 point. 3 digits are there. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. Here also 3 digits. Decimal से पहले देखना. Decimal से पहले 3 digits है. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. तो ये जो 2 point सब में लिखे हैं ये characteristic है. अब mantissa रेफर करने के लिए we have to go to the log table. तो in the log table you have to refer 12 under 5. 3 digits है. तो first 2 digits क्या है? 12. तो in the log table you can see the log table. You can refer the log table. It will be given in any textbook. तो log table under 12. 12 के लाइन में देखिए in the row 12 under the column 5 because it is 125 तो 12 under 5 so if you refer the row 12 under 5 you will get 0969 you will get 0969 row 12 column 5 0969 here 10 under 0 so row 10 under 0 you will get 0000 4 zeros so 4 zeros 15 under 0 if you see the row 15 column 0 row 15 column 0 you will get 1761 14 under 0 1461 11 under 2 mean difference 5 11 under 2 तो 11 के रो में 2 के कॉलम में जो भी आएगा उसको लिख देंगे, वही रो में मीन डिफरेंस 5, मीन डिफरेंस 5, अंडर मीन डिफरेंस 5 you find out what is the value, add up both you will get 0511, then 11 under 0 0414. Here again I repeat, 11 under 2 मीन डिफरेंस 5, लास्ट में मीन डिफरेंस देता, लास्ट कॉलम्स में मीन डिफरेंस है, तो 5 के नीचे देखिए 11 के रो में 5 के नीचे वो दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे 0511 you will get. So we got summation log P, the total is 12.5116. This is the total summation log P. Now price index by simple average of price relative method using geometric mean. Formula is PO1 is equal to anti-log anti-log of summation log P by N, anti-log of 12.5116 by 6. तो ये डिवाइड कर दो, आपको डिवाइड करने के बाद 2.0852 you get 2.0852 anti-log. अब anti-log table, two tables are there. This is the logarithm table. Next page it is anti-log table. Anti-log table. In this anti-log table, you have to refer 0.08 under 5. Row 0.08. Forget about this 2. 2 को छोड़ दीजिए, डेसिमल के बाद का वैल्यू देखिए, आफ्टर डेसिमल 08, तो रो 08 कॉलम 5. If you see row 08 column 5, you will get 1216. You will find 1216 कहें 0.08 under 5. अब यही रो में 0.08 का रो में मीन डिफरेंस 2, अंडर मीन डिफरेंस 2 you will get 1. मीन डिफरेंस 2 के नीचे देखिए you will get 1. तो एड अप 1216 plus 1 1217. तो 1217 is the POM order. अब डेसिमल लगाना है, तो पॉइंट से पहले व्हाट इज द वैल्यू हियर, बिफोर पॉइंट द वैल्यू इज 2, 2 में 1 ऐड कर दो 3, तो 3 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट 1 2 3, आफ्टर 3 डिजिट्स पुट ए पॉइंट डेसिमल, तो 121.7. तो 121.7 is the price index of current year compared to base year according to geometric mean. थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट है क्योंकि यहां पर लॉगरिथम यूज हुआ है, राइट. सो लॉगरिथम ऑलरेडी previous calculating the arithmetic mean we have calculated. Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, measure of central tendency, you might be knowing this, how to find out the logarithm values. तो पहले log p मालूम करेंगे, फिर anti log टेबल में 0.08 under 5 you will get 1216 और 0.08 mean difference 2, तो mean difference 2 के कॉलम के नीचे 1 है, तो टोटल 1217. अब पॉइंट से पहले 2 है, 2 plus 1 3, तो 3 डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट लगा दे 121.7. That's all. This is the end of problem number 4. Now we'll start the next problem, that is fifth problem. So far we have completed 4 problems on index numbers. We have applied the simple aggregative method, simple average of price relative method. Now weighted average method we are doing. Now fifth problem, calculate the index number by using geometric mean. By using geometric mean, we have to find out the index number. Commodities A and B are given base year price, current year price. Base year price are 2, current year price is 7 for A. For B, base year price is 4 and current year price is 5. So we are not given any quantities. We are given only prices and we have to apply the geometric mean method. So in geometric mean, easily we can find out the price relatives. First of all, price relative of A. तो current year price is 7, base year price is 2. तो price relative of A commodity is 3.5. Similarly, price relative of B commodity is current year price 5, base year price 4. तो 1.25. तो price relatives we got it. Now geometric mean is the product, is the root of the product of the two price relatives. Root of the product of the two price relatives. Product we will calculate 3.5 into 1.25. This is the product. And put it under root into 100. So 3.5 into 1.25, 4.375 under root. So after root we'll get 2.09165 after root into 100. So 209.17 is the geometric mean. Therefore index number by geometric mean is 209.17. There are no quantities given. If quantities were given, then we would have to use logarithm. Here there is no need of logarithm because we are calculating geometric mean of only prices. That's why since quantities are not given, only simple average price be obtained by simply calculating the square root of the product of the two price relatives. The geometric mean easily we can get by finding the product of price relatives and put it under root. So logarithms need not be used. Logarithm will be used only when quantities are given. This is problem number 5. Now problem number 6 I am giving you as a practice problem because this problem is exactly same as fourth problem. The answer I am giving, you practice yourself. Using arithmetic mean you will get 122.92. Using geometric mean you will get 121.70. So this sixth problem you have to do it yourself. Now seventh problem. Seventh problem is weighted index. So far we have completed unweighted index number. Under unweighted index number, two methods we have seen. The two methods are simple aggregative method and simple average of price relative using arithmetic mean and using geometric mean. Up to here we have completed unweighted. From now onwards we are starting weighted price relatives. Weighted price relatives means quantities will be given. The quantity will be treated as weight. So for weighted price index we have so many formulas. Laspierre formula, Pasteur's formula, Fisher's formula, then Marshall-Edgeworth's formula, Kelly's formula, Dorbish-Bowley's formula. So many formulas are given for this weighted price index. So first seventh problem you see, from the data given below, construct Laspierre and Pasteur's price index number with base 1975. So 1975 is the base and 1976 is the current year. Now in the problem, three commodities are given A, B, C. For 1975 prices are given 438 and quantity is given 252. For current year 1976 price are 624 and quantities are 316. Already in the previous session I told you, remember the symbols to be used. PO, QO. These are the price and quantity of base year. P1, Q1 are the price and quantity of the current year. So PO, QO, P1, Q1. PO, QO base year. P1, Q1 current year. Right? And we have to first time we are applying Laspierre and Pasteur's method. See here. First of all, see the table. First time I am drawing this table. Commodities are given in the problem. 1975, two columns. PO, QO. Price of base year, quantity of base year. It is given in the problem 438 price, 252 is the quantity. For which year? Base year. Current year P1, Q1. Prices are 624 and quantity are 316. Up to this, the information is given in the problem. Now we need 4 more columns. 4 columns we have to make. How to make 4 columns? See here carefully. First we are multiplying PO into QO. The first column is PO, QO. Second column is P1, Q1. P1, Q1, second column. Third column is P1, QO. P1, QO, this is the third column. Fourth column is PO, Q1. Again I repeat, 4 columns we require. The first column PO, QO. Second column P1, Q1. Third column P1, QO. And last column PO, Q1. That's all. Now we multiply PO, QO. 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. 3 into 5, 15. 8 into 2, 16. So we got PO, QO. Then P1, Q1. 6 into 3, 18. 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 6, 24. 2 columns are over. Now third column P1, QO. P1, QO. 6 into 2, 12. 2 into 5, 10. 4 into 2, 8. We got P1, QO. Last one PO, Q1. 4 into 3, 12. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 1, 3. 8 into 6, 48. Now take the total. Summation PO, QO you will get 39. P1, Q1 you will get 44. P1, QO 30 and PO, Q1 63. We want these 4 totals, right? Now Laspierre's formula. Laspierre formula in last year formula, we'll take the weight of the base year. Weight of the base year. So how to derive the formula? See carefully. Summation P1 divided by summation PO first you write down. Always in every problem, summation P1 by summation PO. Now you multiply the base year quantity. The base year quantity are QO. Numerator QO, denominator QO. So it will become P1 QO, PO QO into 100. Don't by heart this problem. Simply apply the logic. So first of all, P1 by PO you take. To this you multiply the quantity QO. Right? So P1 QO. How much is P1 QO here? 30. PO QO. The PO QO is 39. So 30 by 39 into 100, 76.92. Last year price index over. Now pastures price index. PO1, price of current year compared to base year according to pastures. P stands for past, L stands for last year. The pastures formula, summation P1 by PO as it is. Every problem will have summation P1 by summation PO. Now we multiply the current year's quantity. The current year's quantity is Q1. यहाँ पर multiply करेंगे QO. अब यहाँ पर multiply करेंगे Q1. Current year quantity into 100. So numerator P1 Q1 is here 44. And PO Q1 is 63. So 44 by 63 into 100, 69.84. This is the price index according to pastures method. So last year pastures. This is the first problem of weighted index number, and we have applied only two methods, last year and pastures, because it is asking only two in the problem. So remember, this is the first problem, and this is very important. Most often in examination, this type of problem will be asked. Now see the next eighth problem. Problem number 8. From the following data, calculate the price index number for 1990 and 1980. So we are given 1990, 1980. So 1980 is the base year and 1990 is the current year. As per last year's method, pastures method, and Fisher's method, and Marshall-Edgeworth's method. So in this problem, 4 methods we have to apply. 4 methods we have to apply, right? So first of all, same table just now what we have prepared. First column commodity ABCD. Then 1980 is the base year, 1981 is the current year. 1981 or 1990? 1990. 1980 and 1990. 1990 is the current year. The base year will be denoted as POQO. Current year will be denoted as P1Q1. This data is given in the problem. PO values, QO values, P1, Q1 values are given. Now we need 4 more columns. The first column we multiply PO into QO. PO into QO, first column. Second column P1, Q1. P1, Q1. Third column P1, QO. P1, QO. Last column PO, Q1. PO, Q1. Simply multiply the values. PO, QO. 20 into 8, 160. 50 into 10, 500. 40 into 15, 600. 20 into 20, 400. So POQO we got 1660. Now P1 Q1, 40 into 6, 240. 60 into 5, 300. 50 into 15, 750. 20 into 25, 500. We got P1 Q1 1790. Similarly P1 QO. This is P1 and this is QO. 40 into 8, 320. Then 60 into 10, 600. 50 into 15, 750. 20 into 20, 400. So total P1 QO is 2070. Last one, POQ1. First column and last column. 20 into 6, 120. 50 into 5, 250. 40 into 15, 600. 20 into 25, 500. Total is 1470. That's all. We need these calculations. Now we have to apply 4 methods. Last year, pastures, Fishers, and Marshall-Edgeworths. So 4 method it is asking in the problem. Last year method. PO1L. PO1 price index of current year compared to base year by last year L. Summation P1 by PO. First of all you should write summation P1 by PO. Now multiply with QO. Numerator denominator को QO से multiply. Base year quantity. Right? So it will become P1QO. P1QO is here 2070. POQO 1660. So 2070 by 1660 into 100, 124.70. One price index we got last year. Same case pastures. PO1P. P stands for pastures. Now summation P1 by PO as it is we write on every case. Now multiply the current year quantity. Current year quantity is Q1. So numerator and denominator will be multiplied by Q1. So P1 Q1. How much is P1 Q1? 1790. And POQ1 last P1 QO 1470. So 1790 divided by 1470, 121.77. This is the pastures price index. Now Fisher's ideal index number. PO1F. F stands for Fisher. Now Fisher's ideal index is simply the product of the last year and pastures. The geometric mean of the product. Geometric mean of the product of last year and pastures. तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे last year और pastures. तो what is the values of last year? What is the formula for last year? Summation P1 QO divided by summation PO QO. Same thing. Summation P1 QO divided by summation PO. This is the formula for last year. And pastures formula. Summation P1 Q1 divided by summation PO Q1. P1 Q1 divided by PO Q1. यानी ये लास्ट ईयर का है और ये पास्टर्स का है. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अंडर रूट कर देंगे. तो लास्ट ईयर का वैल्यू 2070 डिवाइड बाय 1660 इनटू 1790 डिवाइड बाय 1470 इनटू 100. दिस इनटू 100 विल बी द आउटसाइड ऑफ द रूट. रूट के बाहर है, राइट? नाउ वी मल्टीप्लाई. फर्स्ट यू डिवाइड 2070 डिवाइडेड बाय 1660 into 1790 divided by 1470. You will get 1.51844. Check on your calculator. First you divide 2070 divided by 1660 into 1790 divided by 1470. Right? So you will get 1.51844 under root. After root you are getting 1.2322 into 100. So 123.22 is the price index as per Fisher's model. Now Marshall-Edgeworth's will add up the numerators and add up the denominators of the last year and pastures. Last year और pastures के numerator को और denominator को add up कर लेंगे. Numerator क्या है? Summation P1 QO. यहाँ पर लिख लिया summation P1 QO plus summation P1 Q1 plus summation P1 Q1. Denominator में summation PO QO plus summation PO Q1. PO QO plus PO Q1. Now add up the values. So numerator, what are the values? 2070 plus 1790. 2070 plus 17. Denominator 1660 plus 1470. 1660 plus 1470. ये bracket में लेंगे, outside the bracket into 100. Now add up these two numerator. 2070 plus 1790. 3860. 1660 plus 1470. 3130 into 100. 123.32. This is the price index according to Marshall-Edgeworth's formula. So in this problem we have applied four methods: last year, pastures, Fisher's and Marshall-Edgeworth's formula to calculate the price index. So we have completed 8 problems.